Hello everyone. Today I am going to transplant the vegetable seedlings that have been cultivated for half a month to the hydroponic rotating tower system behind me. Take a look at our vegetable seedlings. The roots are particularly developed. First of all, I have to divide the rockwool for growing vegetable seedlings into small pieces, and then put the rockwool with vegetable seedlings into the planting basket. Finally, put the planting basket with vegetable seedlings into the planting holes of the rotating tower system.